Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Welcome back to school after summer break holidays. I'm sure you all had wonderful time during summer break holidays and you enjoyed a lot with your family. And some of you might have visited your homeland Pakistan too. So besides enjoying, I'm sure you would have spent some quality time on your studies too. Students, today we are going to start our new lesson, and I'm sure you would have focused on reading during the summer break holidays. So let's start our new lesson, unit number 8, People at Work. What is the name of this lesson? Unit number 8, People at Work. Okay, what is the meaning of people at work? People at work means the jobs of different people in different places. And what is the meaning of job? Yes, the work that a person does is called a job. Can you please tell me name any other jobs that person do? Yes, like pilot, he flies aeroplane, barber, he works at the barber shop, artist, he makes an art, baker, he makes bread and he works at the bakery, chef, policeman, engineer. So first of all, you read with me, the work that a person does is called a job. So what is the meaning of job? The work that a person does is called a job. People do many kinds of jobs and earn their living. People do many kinds of jobs and earn their living. Lots of people have jobs in offices, shops, farms, mills, hospitals, and other places. So, now let's start with bus driver. So, how many of you have taken a ride on bus? I'm sure many of you have taken a ride on a bus. So, bus driver is a very responsible person because he takes so many people in his bus and he drives the bus very carefully. If he is not responsible, obviously the life of so many people will be in danger. So the bus driver is also a very important person. So the man is driving a bus, he is a bus driver, and this is a very important job he is performing. Okay, next, number 2, nurse. This woman works in a hospital. This woman works in a hospital. She is a nurse. She takes care of the sick people. So who is a nurse? Nurse is not a doctor, but she is a helper of the doctor who helps with doctor. She gives medicines, she gives injections to the sick people so that they get well. She works very hard, and she wears very neat and white color uniform, and she is very responsible. Doctor just examine the patient, and whereas nurse take care of the patient. Now, farmer. He is a farmer. He works at the farm. So farmer is a person who works in the field, who works in the farm. So field means open places. What does he do for us? He grows crops for us which we eat, like wheat. So he is very helpful person. He works from morning till evening for our survival. So if he will not work, so we will not be able to eat vegetable and fruits which he grows for us. So we should be thankful to the farmers. Yes, the next carpenter. Let me tell you about the carpenter. What is the word? Carpenter. Yes. He works in a workshop. He works in a workshop. He makes beds, tables, and chairs with wood. So, carpenter is a woodworker, a person who works with wood. He makes doors, beds, tables, and chairs. He makes cupboards for us. He makes so beautiful decoration pieces of wood for us. He is also a very hardworking man. His job is very tough because he has to take good usage of his arms, and he is very active. He is very active and strong man because it is not easy to make things with wood. So you have to remember that he is a carpenter. Yes. Now the next is he is a cobbler. He makes and mend shoes. He makes and mend shoes. So cobbler is a person who repairs our shoes when they break. Not only shoes, even if our leather bags break or they have some problem, so we take them to the cobbler and he repairs our bags also. And he is very hardworking and simple man. He earns very little money for hard efforts that he puts. So because we pay him very little and he is most of the time sitting on the floor while he is working. So students, we have to pay respect to this man. If our shoes will break, we have to go market to buy new shoes and it will be very expensive. Okay. Yes, she is a teacher. She works at the school, You know very well about the teacher. So, teacher is also very hardworking and responsible person. So, if the teacher will not teach, then how you will become doctor, how you will become nurse, how you will become engineer. So, how will the people become educated? So, teacher is the mother of all professions. Just as I am teaching you right now, and you are learning from us, and tomorrow some of you will become engineer, doctor. So, you all have to study from teacher responsibly and you respect them. So, students must revise this lesson twice at least. Take care, thank you, and Allah Hafiz.